Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Modern kitchen cabinets do much more than provide storage. They define the style of the kitchen, improve everyday functionality, and help create a space that feels clean, organized, and welcoming. The best designs combine timeless materials, smart storage solutions, and thoughtful details that make daily life easier. A well-designed kitchen is about more than appearance. It's about maximizing space, reducing clutter, and creating a layout that is both beautiful and practical. From warm natural finishes and sleek cabinetry to hidden storage and carefully planned lighting, every element works together to create a kitchen that feels effortless and inviting. The following ideas highlight modern kitchen cabinet designs, smart organization solutions, and complementary design features that can help transform any kitchen into a space that is stylish, functional, and built to last. Natural wood cabinets remain one of the most popular choices for creating a kitchen that feels warm, inviting, and timeless. Materials like oak, walnut, and ash bring rich texture and natural character, making the space feel more comfortable without sacrificing a modern look. Each wood grain is unique, adding depth and personality that painted finishes often can't replicate. Simple flat panel cabinet doors allow the beauty of the wood to take center stage while maintaining clean, contemporary lines. Matte finishes further enhance the natural texture, creating a soft, sophisticated appearance that works well in a variety of kitchen styles. Natural wood also pairs beautifully with complementary design elements. Light quartz or stone countertops, neutral backsplashes, warm LED lighting, and matching open shelves help create a balanced, cohesive look. Together, these features make the kitchen feel bright, welcoming, and effortlessly elegant. Beyond its visual appeal, natural wood is a versatile choice that adapts easily as decor evolves, making it a lasting investment in both style and everyday functionality. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry is an excellent way to maximize storage while creating a clean, streamlined appearance. By extending cabinets all the way to the ceiling, every inch of vertical space is put to good use, providing extra room for seasonal cookware, serving dishes, and small appliances that aren't needed every day. This design also helps reduce visual clutter by eliminating the empty gap above traditional cabinets, giving the kitchen a more polished and architectural look. In smaller kitchens, full-height cabinetry can even make the room feel taller and more spacious by drawing the eye upward. To maintain a sleek appearance, many homeowners choose integrated refrigerators, hidden pantry cabinets, and appliance garages that blend seamlessly with the surrounding cabinetry. Combined with simple hardware and consistent finishes, these features create a cohesive design that feels organized, functional, and effortlessly modern while keeping everyday essentials neatly out of sight. Beautiful cabinets become even more valuable when they're designed with smart organization in mind. Thoughtfully planned storage helps simplify everyday routines by keeping frequently used items within easy reach while reducing clutter throughout the kitchen. Instead of searching through crowded shelves, everything is organized in a way that makes cooking and cleaning more efficient. Deep pull-out drawers provide convenient access to pots, pans, dishes, and food containers without having to reach into the back of lower cabinets. Drawer dividers keep utensils and cooking tools neatly arranged, while pull-out spice racks, tray organizers, and corner storage systems make the most of areas that are often difficult to use. Hidden waste and recycling bins also help maintain a clean, streamlined appearance by keeping essential items out of sight. Additional features like pull-out pantry shelves, vertical dividers for baking sheets and cutting boards, and built-in charging drawers add even more convenience without taking up extra space. These thoughtful storage solutions help maximize every cabinet while creating a kitchen that feels organized, functional, and easy to maintain. When everything has a dedicated place, daily tasks become simpler, and the entire space feels calmer, more efficient, and more enjoyable to use. Combining different cabinet colors and materials is an effective way to add depth and personality without overwhelming the kitchen. Rather than using a single finish throughout the space, many modern designs create subtle contrast by pairing warm natural wood with painted cabinetry. This layered approach adds visual interest while maintaining a balanced and cohesive look. One popular combination is wood base cabinets with soft white, beige, or light gray upper cabinets, creating a kitchen that feels both grounded and bright. Darker accent colors, such as charcoal or deep green, can also be introduced on a kitchen island to create a striking focal point without making the space feel heavy. The key is choosing colors and finishes that complement one another instead of competing for attention. These cabinet combinations work especially well alongside quartz or natural stone countertops, simple backsplashes, and mixed metal hardware in finishes like brushed brass, matte black, or stainless steel. Together, these complementary elements create a refined, timeless design that feels warm, inviting, and visually dynamic while allowing each material to showcase its own unique character. Handleless cabinets continue to define modern kitchen design with their clean lines and uncluttered appearance. By removing traditional handles, the cabinetry creates a smooth, seamless look that makes the entire kitchen feel more spacious and refined. This minimalist approach works particularly well in both compact and open-concept kitchens, where simplicity helps maintain a calm, organized atmosphere. Many handleless designs use integrated finger pulls or push-to-open mechanisms that provide easy access while preserving the sleek appearance of the cabinet fronts. These subtle details reduce visual distractions and allow the beauty of the materials, colors, and craftsmanship to become the main focus. To enhance the minimalist aesthetic, handleless cabinets are often paired with waterfall countertops, thin countertop profiles, and large format flooring that emphasizes clean, uninterrupted lines. Under-cabinet LED lighting adds both function and ambience, highlighting work surfaces while giving the cabinetry a soft, modern glow. The result is a kitchen that feels elegant, highly functional, and effortlessly sophisticated without relying on excessive decorative details. A kitchen island has become much more than an additional work surface. It often serves as the centerpiece of the kitchen, bringing together food preparation, dining, storage, and social interaction in one highly functional space. When designed with built-in cabinetry, an island can significantly increase storage while enhancing the overall layout. Large drawers provide convenient storage for cookware, mixing bowls, and small appliances, while cabinets on both sides of the island maximize every inch of available space. Open shelving can be used to display cookbooks or decorative pieces, and features such as built-in recycling bins, wine storage, or charging stations add even greater practicality without compromising the clean design. To make the island stand out, many homeowners choose a contrasting cabinet color or a different wood finish that complements the rest of the kitchen. A waterfall countertop, elegant pendant lighting, and carefully selected seating complete the look, creating a focal point that is both visually striking and perfectly suited to everyday living. Lighting plays an essential role in highlighting the beauty of kitchen cabinets while making the space more comfortable and functional. A well-planned lighting scheme not only improves visibility for everyday tasks but also adds warmth and depth, allowing cabinet finishes, textures, and materials to stand out. Under-cabinet LED lighting is one of the most effective ways to brighten countertops and eliminate shadows in food preparation areas. Interior lighting inside glass front cabinets or display shelves can showcase decorative dishes and glassware, while toe-kick lighting adds a subtle glow that enhances the overall atmosphere, especially during the evening. Layering different types of lighting creates a balanced and inviting kitchen. Pendant lights above the island provide both style and focused illumination, while recessed ceiling lights deliver even ambient lighting throughout the room. When combined with reflective backsplashes, matte cabinet finishes, and carefully chosen materials, thoughtful lighting brings the entire kitchen together, creating a space that feels brighter, more welcoming, and effortlessly elegant. Choosing timeless cabinet finishes is one of the best ways to create a kitchen that remains stylish and functional for years to come. Rather than relying on bold or short-lived design trends, many homeowners prefer finishes that offer lasting appeal, durability, and easy maintenance. Simple, well-crafted cabinetry provides a strong foundation that can adapt to changing decor over time. Matte finishes continue to be a favorite because they create a soft, sophisticated look while helping to reduce the appearance of fingerprints and smudges. Neutral colors, natural wood tones, and high-quality veneers offer versatility, allowing the kitchen to complement a wide range of countertop materials, backsplashes, and flooring options. Soft close hinges and premium hardware also add a sense of quality while improving everyday usability. Pairing these finishes with durable quartz countertops, understated hardware, and clean cabinet profiles results in a kitchen that feels elegant without being overly decorative. By focusing on quality materials and thoughtful design, it's possible to create a space that remains beautiful, practical, and welcoming through everyday use and changing design preferences. The best kitchen cabinet designs combine timeless style with practical solutions that make everyday living easier. From the warmth of natural wood and full-height cabinetry to smart organization, hidden storage, and carefully layered lighting, Each element contributes to a kitchen that feels both beautiful and highly functional. Thoughtful design isn't about adding more features, it's about choosing the right ones that work together to create a space that is organized, comfortable, and built to last. Whether you're planning a complete kitchen renovation or simply looking for ideas to refresh your current space, investing in quality cabinetry and efficient storage can make a lasting difference in both appearance and functionality. If you found these ideas inspiring, be sure to like this video, subscribe to HD Interiors for more timeless home design inspiration, and share it with anyone planning their dream kitchen. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.